The kettlebell snatch is a great unilateral exercise that uses the whole body as well as being its own event in kettlebell sport. To perform a kettlebell snatch, begin with the kettlebell a foot in front of you, feet flat and back straight. As you lift the kettlebell off the floor, point your thumb backwards and let it swing into your hips with your hips hinged. From here, extend the hips and knees quickly to drive the weight up. As the kettlebell moves up, the tricky part is to move your hand through the handle to cause the kettlebell to turn comfortably around the hand rather than flip and bash your wrists. As the kettlebell reaches the top position, stand tall and lock out the elbow. To bring the kettlebell back down, simply turn the bell away from your body and let it slip back into your fingers and your back swing position for the next rep. Repeat until your set is complete.